I
Surprise Xolani Khumalo
solemnly swear
that
I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
I will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa
and the city of EKURHULENI Metropolitan Municipality,
and the city of EKURHULENI Metropolitan Municipality,
and will obey, respect and uphold
the
Constitution and all other law of the Republic, including the bylaws of the city of EKURHULENI Metropolitan Municipality. I solemnly promise to perform my functions and duties as a councillor in good faith, honestly, in a transparent manner, and to the best of my abilities. I further solemnly promise to, at all times, act in the best interest of the municipality, and in such a way that the credibility and integrity of the municipality are not compromised. I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Congratulations.